Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Hello learners, welcome to your math lesson. In the lesson of symmetry, you do remember what is line of symmetry and how we saw some of the images that were able to get themselves exactly into half by dividing into two halves by dividing it with the line of symmetry. Right. So in the last class about the introduction of symmetry, we learned about one line of symmetry. Here in this particular lesson, we learn of multiple lines of symmetry. Okay. So here what we'll be able to learn by the end of this class is about 2 lines of symmetry and 3 lines of symmetry. Okay.
Look at the animation. On a squared paper, draw an isosceles triangle ABC. Copy the triangle on a tracing paper. Now fold the triangle ABC along BC such that point B coincides with point C. See that the fold contains the point A and AB falls on AC. Press the fold to form a crease. Open the fold and draw the line along the crease. The line intersects BC at a point. Mark this point as X. AX is the line of symmetry of the isosceles triangle ABC. Now fold the triangle along AB and AC. An equilateral triangle. Draw an equilateral triangle ABC on a squared paper and copy it on a tracing paper. Fold the trace of triangle ABC along BC as you have done in case of an isosceles triangle. Mark crease and draw a line of symmetry which intersects BC at X. AX is a line of symmetry of the equilateral triangle ABC. Now fold the triangle ABC along AB and AC. You will find that each of these folds give a line of symmetry of the triangle. AX, BY and CZ are 3 lines of symmetry of the equilateral triangle ABC. A square. Draw a square ABCD on a squared paper and copy it on a tracing paper. Now make folds, crease and draw lines as follows. Fold 1 along BA such that B, A and CD coincide. The crease will give the line of symmetry MN. Fold 2 along BC such that BC and AD coincide. The crease will give the line of symmetry XY. Fold 3 along the diagonal AC such that the vertices B and D coincide. AC is the line of symmetry. Fold 4 along the diagonal BD such that the vertices A and C coincide. BD is the line of symmetry. Thus, the square has 4 lines of symmetry, namely XY, MN, AC and BD. A rectangle. Make trace of a rectangle ABCD on a tracing paper. Fold the trace as in case of a square and draw all the lines of symmetry. XY and MN are 2 lines of symmetry of the rectangle ABCD. A rhombus. Make trace of a rhombus on the tracing paper. Fold the trace as in case of a square and draw all the possible lines of symmetry. Lines of symmetry of the rhombus ABCD are AC and BD. Observations. An isosceles triangle has only one line of symmetry. It is the line joining the vertex to the midpoint of the base. The line of symmetry is perpendicular to the base. There are 3 lines of symmetry in an equilateral triangle. Each line of symmetry passes through the vertex and the midpoint of the side opposite to the vertex. The lines of symmetry are perpendicular bisectors of the sides of the triangle. There are 4 lines of symmetry in a square, 2 joining the midpoints of the opposite sides and the 2 diagonals. A rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry, that is, lines joining the midpoints of the opposite sides of the rectangle. A rhombus has 2 lines of symmetry. Each of the 2 diagonals is a line of symmetry of a rhombus.